Dude, did you poop in my fucking pants today?
Yeah, I put your pants on. Shit.
I put these dang bloomers on today, and I was like, something squishy in here.
Yeah, I took your pants.
And I'm like, gosh darn it, that must have been Kenny again, pooping in my freaking pants.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious it was me. I took your pants, wore them.
Dude, it's getting hot in here, man.
I should probably put my pants back on.
You should probably
put my own pants back on.
You should probably put your own pants back on.
It's poop all on yours.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, it hasn't been recording this entire time.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Are you serious? Shut up. Dude.
Are you serious? Dude, are you serious right now?
Dude, listen to me. A couple days ago, I woke up and I think I pooped my freaking pants. Mr. Kenny? Like, I slept wrong and I pinched something in the back of my neck, dude.
Oh, that's why you're moving like that.
So I can't turn my head, dude, so I have to go like
oh, okay.
Oh. This car's freaking fast, man.
Nah, not really.
Oh, fuck. It's gonna shut off on us.
What?
It says pull key, wait 10 seconds. It's not gonna let us drive. See that? It's a safety feature.
Why is it doing that?
This happened one time before. I don't know. I guess we'll pull the key and wait 10 seconds. See, it's not gonna let us. It's not gonna let us drive. It's gonna stall. What kind of fucking safety feature is that?
That's pretty fucking stupid.
So pull the key, wait 10 seconds. Dude, that's dumb. This is stupid, dude. Okay, let's try it again. I don't know what that's all about, dude. It seems like it's unsafe. Seems like it's the dang opposite of a freaking safety feature. Shutting off on me like that. I'm trying to back out into traffic. Real cool.
What a beautiful day it is outside today.
Actually, it's not that beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty stupid outside, actually.
Actually, you know what? Today's a pretty nice day, man.
I really don't have a choice except to agree with you on that one.
No, it's not that nice.
Yeah, you're right. Dude, I'm a fucking genius.
Yeah. You're a penis.
Dude, holy shit, look at all these cars out today. That's crazy.
Not even that many cars, man.
Yeah, you're right.
Actually, dude, this is quite a bit of cars today.
You know what? You're right. Yo, your window's falling out.
Nah, dude.
Yeah, you're right.
Dude, you're gonna say something else other than yeah, you're right. You just said the same thing.
I'm not part of this shit.
Yeah, you are, dude.
No, I'm not.
Dude, you're Kenny. People know you on the channel now, man.
No, they don't.
People saw you in the bloopers of the last video.
I'm not part of this.
And they were like, oh, that's Kenny. He's Cameron's best friend. Because you said it in the bloopers.
That's true.
So it's very clear who you are.
It's true, I did say that.
Yes.
Do I look ridiculous?
You sure did.
With these glasses on. Look at me directly.
You look pretty good, man. Guys, comment in the...
Hey, guys, come on in. Take this away from you.
Guys, Kenny, don't you look... Dude, put your goggles back on, man. Guys, let me know in the comments below how good Kenny looks, scale 1 to 10. Look at me, Kenny.
What's up with your shorts?
What do you mean?
Just real quick, I'm just curious what's going on.
What do you mean, what's down with my shorts?
What's up with your shorts?
No, what's down with them?
What's down with them?
You know what's down? My brands. I think I pooped my pants. Ross, Jesus! Oh my god, it didn't go into first! That's one of the problems I'm gonna talk about right now, dude!
It didn't go into first.
It didn't go into freaking first!
Maybe you should learn how to drive! This just in, Cameron's a bitch. Oh my... Jesus! Alright. Okay.
This is a freaking race car!
Huh? It's a race car.
It's a freaking race car! Don't tell me this car's slow and stupid, because it ain't! It ain't!
Don't tell me! Don't tell me, car. Say, hey, I'm having a stroke. I think.
See that?
I'm gonna take these glassers off.
And then kick some assers.
No, he's looking at me because he recognized me.
From sucking your pee-pee.
Bingo. Why do you laugh like that?
Why do I laugh like what, Mr. King?
Just help me understand why you act the way that you do.
Dude, we get talking in southern accents, then we can't stop.
It's just so damn funny.
Shit.
Oh, God. Goodness gracious.
I'm gonna run over some freaking kids at the park today.
No, we're not gonna do that, you two.
No, I was... Never mind, I guess I won't.
Cyrus, dude, we can go in through there.
Yeah, I'm not driving on the dirt.
Why, dude?
Stupid head. Because this is a sports car. I ain't driving on the dirt.
It barely drives. Dude, I kind of want to start skateboarding. I wonder if those guys will let me skateboard.
Dude,
Yeah, dude.
good to go.
What about me? Cameron, I'm not that bad. But I can't be that bad. Come on. Oh my God.
Okay.
All right. We're childs. We're children. Great idea.
For Childos Wildos.
Dude, you know what would be really cool for content?
What?
If I literally went over there and like asked them, like, hey, can I try skateboarding?
Dude, you should poop in their pants too.
Nah, I can't, dude. I have to steal their pants. They have pants on.
Please, poop in their pants, Kenny.
Okay. Did you bring the super glue?
Yeah, it's at the house. Being guarded by our mouse.
Why you gotta rhyme everything?